A cat and a fox were one discussing about hounds. The cat said, I hate hounds, they are very nasty animal. They hurt and kill us. The fox said, I hate hounds more than you. The cat asked, how do you save yourself from hounds? The fox replied, there are many tricks to get away from hounds. The cat asked, can you say that your tricks are? They are very simple, said the fox. He added, I can hide behind thick bushes, I can run along thorny hedges, I can hide in burrows. There are many more such tricks. Now it was the turn of the fox to ask the cat about her tricks. The fox asked, how many tricks do you know? The cat replied, I just know one trick. The fox stared. Oh, how sad! You know only one trick? What is your trick? The cat was about to answer, but she found a flock of hounds fast approach. She said, I am going to do it now. But the hounds are coming, saying these words. The cat ran up a nearby tree. Tricks, but the hounds outbeat him. My one trick is better than all his tricks, said the cat to herself.